This is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get custom songs as your ringtone on your Android phone. So we can go to the Google App Store right here and just open this up. And go to search and type in Zedge, Z-E-D-G-E. And this will allow me to get ringtones and wallpaper. So go to this application, open this up. Now this is free to use. And there's going to be some ads on here. We can just hit the X and X out of there. So anytime, just hit the X up top. So I have something searched in here. This is just Halo Sierra 117. I can hit the download option right here, and I can set this song as my ringtone, like I did. So it's just that easy. So I can play this back. It's just some Halo music. So anytime you get the ads, just wait for it to play, and then back out. So just search for anything you want. Go to ringtones, and then we can go to settings right here. Scroll on down to sounds and vibrations. And then we can go to ringtones, and you can see it switched over right here. So I have some other things on here, like Peter Griffin, Master Chief, Halo 1, Halo 2. Just go to that app, and you can search for anything you want. Hopefully this video did help you out.